Hello, this is Sales Page Website Design course. Never pay a developer to build a website for you anymore. In this course, I will teach you with step-by-step guide on how to build your sales page on your own. Under 2 hours, you will learn how to build a sales page that converts. I will teach you how to buy domains and host at cheap price, very cheap price. And for instance, you buy www.bookiestores.com, just a simple cheap payment you make for this store URL, which is the domain name. Under it, you can build as much products as possible. You can build as many sales pages as possible for each product that you sell. So for instance, you can have bookiestores.com/eba cleanser. You can have bookiestores.com/fruit blender, bookiestores.com/Italian watch. So you can also have a cheap and trusted web hosting that you can use to build your website. So the next is how to build a sales page that converts. You will learn how to build a sales page that converts without writing a single line of code using WordPress, and we're making use of Elementor Pro, which is worth 23,520 naira per year. But never mind and never worry about the price. You're going to get all these for free. You're going to use Cardflows, which is worth 100,320 naira per year. But you're going to get all these for free without yearly renewal, just because you subscribe to this course. So the next, as simple as this is how we build our website. As simple as this, even a child can build a website and find it very fascinating building a website like this without writing a single line of code. So just imagine building a website this way. So you can change your colors and you can change your font size, you can change the font family, and so on and so forth. So as simple as this is. The next is how to use copywriting to change their buying decision to your favor. Selling is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. Or most people focus on the strategy rather than changing the psychology of the customer. Because when you do that, you're actually changing their buying decision. And a whole lot of tools which you can use. And copywriting is what you can use to change their buying decision, which contribute to the 80% psychology of selling. And you will learn how to connect your sales page to Paystack or Flutterwave and receive money to your bank account. Paystack and Flutterwave is popular payment gateway, which you can learn how to do that without a developer and without writing any single line of code. And you will learn how to sell digital products like ebook, video courses, audio, and so on and so forth. Any digital product at all, you can learn how to sell it while people download these things. So you can learn how to sell your courses, you can learn how to sell anything digital products. So we'll still teach you how to sell physical products. Then this course will teach you how to recover abandoned carts and follow up until they buy. So for instance, there are people who come across your product where you advertise them, they visit your site and they are about to check out, they get distracted and they disappear and never to return. But we have some tools that we can use to capture them even when they have not checked out and they have not bought. Capture them when they add to cart, and you automate a reminder to them on their email. So this is magical, and you're going to learn it. And you're going to learn how to connect your Facebook, Instagram ads to your sales page and increase your sales revenue, your ad revenue. And you've been doing ads the right way, saves money and doubles your revenue. You know, most people keep boosting sales. They keep boosting posts on Facebook. They think they are actually running ad. They're not running any ad. Because you're actually dashing Facebook a whole lot of money and you're not getting results as you're supposed to get. Facebook was built for extreme results in advertisement, and most people are not just tapping it, they are just tapping a little aspect of the result. So you're going to increase your sales when you integrate your sales page to your Facebook. And the mystery which you're going to learn is how to follow visitors everywhere they go on the internet with your products and services until they buy. You're going to automate this. For instance, whenever someone visits your sales page, you have been implicated. The implication is that anywhere they go on social media, Facebook and Instagram, your ads will keep following them. It seems as if you are trying to tell them directly that you know their identity, that they have visited your site and they must buy this. So you have to learn how to do this and follow them up with their products and services. So the bonus offer I'll give to you for those who buy this course is that you get access to Elementor Pro, which is worth 23,520 naira per year. You get access to it for free. You get access to Cart Flows for free, which is worth 100,320 naira per year. You get access for free sales page template, which are pre-built, worth 10,000 naira. The total worth of this package I'm giving to you is 133,840 naira, and I'll give in all this as bonus. So this is very reason why web developers will charge average of 100k to build a website or sales page, because what it takes to build a sales page is equivalent to what it takes to build an entire website, like a company website. So the bonus offer you also get is that you join my website or my WhatsApp mentorship group. For everyone that buys this, I'm going to mentor you. The mentorship entails, because I'm not going to just sell this offer to you, sell this course to you and I disappear with your money. And I'm going to mentor you and make sure you learn and implement every bit of thing that I taught in that video course. So this is led for you to take this decision and to grab all this offer. So how much does this very course worth? The regular, which I've told you that this is worth, and it's worth more than this actually. But regular price is 2,500 naira for everyone that buys this course. But for the first 10 persons that purchase this course, I'll be giving it at 1,000 naira. For the first 10 persons that offer this, after the first 10 persons, you get it for 2,500 naira, which is still worth it, and it's not costly. So that the next thing is that the 2 hours video course can be downloaded instantly after payment. You can download it and replay it multiple times until it sinks into you and until you implement it properly the way I implemented them. Payment methods are direct bank transfer, and you can pay via Zenith Bank PLC 208635055. Samuel Dike Omaka is the beneficiary. So if you pay through direct bank transfer, you can send your evidence of payment to samuel@samunleash.com. samuel@samunleash.com. And if you're paying via Paystack, you can check the link here, or you check the link around this video and you click on it to make payment with your debit card. So thank you. See you in the class.